What's up YouTube? I'm Charmaine Jamil and today we are making southern okra and tomatoes from scratch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. One great thing about this meal is that you can select the types of ingredients you would prefer to cook. You can use bacon for the meat or some type of sausage. Select the type of tomato you'd prefer. I'm using a plum tomato because they're sweeter. An array of bell peppers. I'm using minced garlic or if you prefer fresh garlic. It's totally up to you. You'll need onions. I always eat okra and tomato over rice. And of course, okra. I'm using fresh okra today, but you can purchase frozen okra if you'd like. Also, since this meal is from scratch, you'll need a blender or a tool to help you puree the sauce. The first thing that we're going to do is slice up all of our vegetables. Slice up the tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions. Place those on a baking sheet. Put some oil on there. I have olive oil here. And then you're going to add all of your seasonings. Once your vegetables are tender, add only the bell peppers and onions to your pot. You'll want to turn your stove on low to keep your sauce warm. Puree this down so that you catch all of the flavors and then puree your tomatoes in. All right, there you have it, folks. Our southern okra and tomato. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.